All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over tonight. Today we're going to be doing some light reading, so let's dive right into what we're going to pick up from. So some Moccasin.toml files come with an env network already defined, but if not, we can easily add it ourselves. And here's an example of the env network configuration and what it looks like inside of the Moccasin.toml file that comes standard. You see here we have the networks.env. Then we have the URL, which is going to be the variable that holds our port number. You see, this is here. This is the port number from Ambu. When we run Ambu, this is the port number we always use. It's the same one. Then we have prompt live equals false. Then we have save the database or save the DB equals false. We have chain ID equals 31337. And this is what the Anvil network configuration looks like when it is already defined in the Moccasin.toml file. But we will not be using anything from this file for now because we want to build our own. We want to practice doing that, so we're not going to use that right now. For now, we will delete all the existing network configurations in the Moccasin.toml file and add our own Anvil network configuration. We will delete everything except the project source equals source or SRC equals SRC. Now, once we have deleted the existing network configurations, we can add our own Anvil network configuration. Now, this Moccasin.toml file will be the file where we build all the configurations for our project. Now we're gonna leave it there for the night. Tomorrow we'll pick it back up, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.